shemamba me mamunyina ache Emma Mwakwa ba de Ahenkan 93.3 FM so braso so wo mamu nsam a mensaka na na pami besi adwa na me de beso mo Kaseibo ani na dafrapo ya mantam no emo achem abowabo ba bia metie aya Kuafra Kuma Studios Kuafra Kuma ba tampani studios na metia me ba betwe ne sra ene abasa ediama wo na abusuan sound ya wo betia bi ene se mra shebedwane o jem de ma de sha won won hia so kwa so ase dia tudwa ya wo cha se John Dramani Mahama na mamwo no ene nye eti wo mo matwu so so ankwaya flag bearer amfa ba DC for wo munyai san so wo de ne ba o ba we poto na sansu na sanfufro mu wo bete se Moslemi ufo bi aja wonum etu asika ede man padifo se meka kwantu nko metu bi na nko makobie no wo mo so manya nkwa ene abusua padifo fo musika ma o mesan se manya mayi antwa na mayi koka wansam ho se die nti abusua nsam no amanone nsam so aka ho bi amede ba besomo ene anapai mi ame baje Akan Kaseibo ne dia mansa na midin beba ne yamfa sedama ODI electronics midin afia ampofowa afa information center sa eto Kaseibo na pitim na na pay eni
Ahenkan 93.3 FM Akan Kaseibo yo bomua ya jibebia Anuti Kaseibo mubati anka ewo End Time Information Center Achim Asanteman Kwasiapia online radio ewo Asanteman temu Kumase
Aluma Suta Information Center ewo Jiwani Kwanta
God's First Information Center Achim Betnase
Alternative Information Center Yausero
Kanyame Information Center ewo Achim Achikrum
Cooperative Information Center ewo Achekrum
Die Yesu tumi ye Information Center ewo Achim Dwaha
Awurade na ye Information Center Achim Apreku
Gode wae boafu
Kojo Kumi eye David Ba Information Center Dimpa Information Center Achim Asane
Kosiewa ewa Kosiewa krom
Osono Information Center ewa Achim Esam
Abnasemai Information Center wachim Abnase
Nyame hine Information Center wachim Ofosukrom
Ena Nyame Asam Information Center wo Achim Krobase eye Nida Soni Awurade
Prince of Peace ewa Osrase Somwa Heba Information Center so se twitwe ewa Achim da Intiamwa Junction
Peace Information Center wo Kokobe
Eno Sewa Information Center ewa Achim Anyinase
Kusam Information Center wachim Achiase
Keka no krobo eye Adom Information Center
Peace Infobiz Watakrase
Tokuya Ebutu Achim Odumase
Adwempa Information Center Ojinanko Jama North
Chidom Information Center ewo Achim Adubiase
Bono Mantemu Abapa Information Center Goka
Sumnyame Information Center eye Chirimenken Nyankuma ase eye Nanapia Information Center Da Kingdom Come a police level Asioko Jama no Bono Mantemu eye Duaba Information Center
Achiase hine Information Center wachim achiase edintrom wachim kwakoben na adom achim ofra mempasam wachim asani pisco enyinem kotoku repent achim otopa royal wachim teshima mejefoti ase achim labikrom Omega wachim dan SDA Ejapaya Junction Mighty Information Center wachim besiase Obig Kwabwadi number 2 Kataba Information Center Chianse Junction Ajuni Bakufo Trim Ewa Sene Bangalo Oman Information Center Wachema Yirebi Eja say enso ewo Achem Apoli Afe Ghana de Shamamba Kaseibo na na pejwe Yamfa mo vemunte semuse Mrasha bejweni a wojirem de madesha wonum ewo nhia so Consuency no ewa santimantemo. Onimonyamfo Dr. Stephen Amwa aka Chinese man bushia. What ya two dry water say? Watete se any this yamanyoku and Mamose John Dramani Mahama. One more tabri ni biema sanso dia franka 24 ama manyoko na afimpinu ene aduonu nan. And was say sasadia no bekwa so padia. Ene NDC fo ndwene hu biom. Wa mo ndwene hu biom san ndwene hu biom. Say John Dramani Mahama no na mamuo bone ya na enka senka ye nkwa ya nka ye ntimi fa ni fuo enu nti na Ghana fo ho ne to baabie his excellence na do dan kwa kufa do baye enu nti sani pe ya mo sa de na baabiam dia ene esefota se NDC fo ne de nioma to nsane ani na wa mo hye se John Dramani Mahama na ye pese de ne baabiam kra no na chi te sen obebu Ghana sama mpani no dan wo ye bu Ghana fo Onimonyamfo Stephen Dr. Kennedy Huo Stephen Amuha etwana kasa so no kire se obi beka se na NDC for some de Chinese my wasebe o se na se eka ne se MPP amanyoko so ba mu a ya de Alan Baumia NDC for timi gina mo na so ntenten baba jama mu nyina timi kire yen se se de Baumia beba ene enhwe Baumia track records eti enso ye to amofo se mo de John Dramani Mahama beba dia ene omo so ncheke na track records esan se wono aye bushia Chinese man na dwin ni nyansam de so omo de John Dramani Mahama bia mu a ene asem kase pa ye kase ne besi ewo NDC amanyoko no emo oto ne kase so no chese National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoko no nyame adom na adom Ghana fo na Ghana fo eden kokromatim power ekosi enkra taso 2024 Ghana fo beto abani se boom atia NDC fo enu nti so omunim dia ye dia ne omonsesa wo flag bearer no John Dramani Mahama na bibia enkonkan na wawie no otia sim awa IMF nim IMF asesi abama Ghana hanomo wuchia obi se na apom te se wasem adom ni IMF o adom kwan IMF ne kurekura yen se IMF no so otia susu aka se kwofo bi akeka san any people amanyoko twa U10 ede wo mani echemo International Monetary Fund IMF fo afamunti enkwofo bi keka besebes wo manu biebie wo manu ten tontom ya che na hyetom san kanofori ataye nyinadi wo se hwam no hwam na aka se kanofori ataye nyinadie sense eye kanofori ata ansa na ye tabri eye Ghana sikasem nyada hye nsa no yanka se mripa bi bai na kanofori ata etoto nioma papa na Ghana sikasem ejran na so pinti saka pinti se nei esi yakamokom na sa Ghana ye di apene kakra ye si apene kakra denti na sankwofo no a sata makanofori ata na ne nioma egugu akwan mu anka Ghana fo na ye tibi ne esri boys ri hehe no wow safo na se twom ho se ye mpam no se ya pam no na enye kira esanse kanofori ata adwuma wo bo no no wasan so to aso bia mu a wo acha se John Dramani Mahama de owo no so owo ne so papa esanse NDC fo edi abendwa no na se 2 minutes san wa mamba ehute enu nti ebe ya enkwom sesa no na eni pipi amanyokuo ni de wo mu gusu aya wo mu keka nyo masia ni ja wonum ekwom ani mu adrewa na IMF nsansa mu aba no esno MPP fo IMF ena sro NDC fo so de
we reduce teachers, nurses, allowances, and those things, send this economy to about 3.4, collapse everything, destroy the banking sector and all that one day, you don't even mention them. A former president, just 3 days ago, he says we should go to IMF. The next day, we went to IMF. He said it's belated. What I'm trying to say is that the very person who is calling for finance minister, blah, blah, and all those things, he messed up this country as never before. You don't remember, we're having guinea fowls and all those in Bash brand, and he wants to come back. Then NDC shouldn't choose him. If they choose former president Mahama, NDC will lose. You will be shocked. You mark it. It's the only thing me I'm afraid of. He will lose. He has the worst record. He came and scrapped even allowances that could let poor people go to school and also have access more resource people for health sector. Then he is saying that we should sack somebody, then he should come back. Look, NDC can never be the alternative unless Ghanaians just want to destroy this country. We empathize with Ghanaians. What is going on, yes, it's global, it's painful, there's hardship, and it's everywhere. But what I'm saying is that NDC, we should even forget. If they lie, they should bring NDC. We are in Ghana here. I want to hear you even talk. You should have even resigned from contacting on the taking of NDC.
Ghana for the crown NDC for the ababoya mamona we say papa na we can be our best swing ya. Yes, papa na de want see NDC for baby of the Ghana for na mona nya kra nti papa swing TV so bia mi anani asema ni nsuo bai 2 months later papa we ya say we will pass it levy we will pass it. When we are done cry we will pass it. Yes, papa we answer na nanu bi okwo say na nadu dan kwaku for da be see Chinese e de be oye gusia ai wono a no na ka say when say say na techra ma na e dan ba ni party ni kan MP enhia so constituency woni manyamfo Dr. Stephen Amoa yankwa yanim ewo Kaseibo no emwe emeka eya kwanto bi amozraminfo otupa wonom ewo gidie bi se wokọ honom ba utimi ekwanim bebre ewa brabom ena unya tu sa kwanto no a eyade se ebeboa wo ema ode srade bi a wode kọ bia no ala bedu hu afofie no waye de ama enu nti sabre nso ebra wie du se wonom enipa hodro ya emozraminfo ekọ meka ho kọ bompaye ya enye asamketua na nanu ada kọ piemu ewa Accra Hajj village wonom enye asamketuo amanfo agitwi adetrada ebi aduane sisi wo manim ya ebi die ebi se yampre etukọ ka ha se tew no matu akọba ha se tew se akontwa na busua obebusa se ye de ba asam nko na aba omo se wonum atue sika bi ama Hajj board na komu hwa ni mu se enkiyade wo mu betu se fa akọ meka no so makọbọ mpaye nanso abusua wo mu hwa mpanifo ni mu hwa traffic show wo mu timi kwatena ho na plane we yatu baba na ekọ na we yatu na chese wo mu de wo mu si ho enu nti wo masem wo mu kan na yetia wa se wo mu ka kira mpanifo ya wo mu ji wo mu sika ebi mu si wo mu kotua sika no dollars mu ankasa enu wo mu tua ye enu nti wo mu sa pom dollars se wo mu anhwe no manfa wo mu sika anfa ma wo mu a eni asembesi na tenga so bari atenga papa ewo Ghana ha se yentie wo mu embra.
So one day I was there and he asked me whether I have yellow fever injection. I have COVID injection. I said yes. He said I should bring it to him. I said why? He said you just bring it because I'm taking it to her. I was in my shop, so I just shouted Allahu Akbar. I was happy. They said they cannot find my passport. Hey, even if you are a cripple and they ask you to go to Hajj, you run and go. It's a holy land. Don't you want to go to Holy Land? I'm broken inside. I don't want to cry, but it's not easy.
We were told those who paid in 2019 are going to be among the first passengers. The holiness of the whole issue, probably the process is not as holy as the activity itself. This time we're not going to leave the money with them.
Now I'm sitting like this, I don't have any hope that I will go back. I'll go to back. I'm feeling fine, I'm feeling happy, I'm not feeling happy.
So if you are able to get chance and go and then worship your God, your creator, someone who created you, the quota that was given to Ghana, imagine every year 6,700.
Ahenkan FM.
Eni awutie ye ayabozraminfo bianka wono mo hwa ni mu se kamaka kwantuo kwamsoja won betu se papa na kaje o makobie eni o ba se afra me hajia we se afra mal haji ti wamani abrese krodom nka mpeso mkobọ mpaye wo meka na wamu nsemi twagu wie ya pe ena nipa woyi ano communication director nkita hundie bofote de masa board ameka ho asem eya wonu mo hwa Hajj akwantuo so mekire meka akwantuo so Hajj board no Abdul Rahman Gomda wono so aditudwa ya wacha se wo prisika se yamfo sika mo miemfo sika mo yentua no sikane nya se ehombotom ya no matua ubeka ya no matua e wo se efa eye stages ni process bi mu enu nti omunya omo abotre kakra no opam chawara womunya abotre se ne be ya sa akwantuo no eso bufamu na sika no ebeka omonsa no betimi afa sa akwantuo nim na omonsa atimi aka omsika na wedi ya yenjira nkra nim entutu enkrane.
I think we were overwhelmed by the sheer number of such challenges. Honestly, we really apologize to those who suffered inconveniences as a result of these challenges. The others too had documents mixed up. And indeed, we must remember that, but for a certain intervention of sort from officialdom, Hajj this year was not even going to be possible. In fact, we thought it wasn't going to be until the 11th hour when the vice president supported us with his weight, and it came to pass. There have been instances of misplaced passports, but we won't say it's a result of the board misplacing these passports. So we won't put the blame at the doorstep of the board. The impression is that hard board members were directly involved in the. I won't say, well, we will be held responsible for the lapses.
Way a communication director at the Emma board, no. Area Ora Abdul Rahman Gonda. And I was telling Kano Yanko Yanim Awakas Yabonasani about to us no. Mayendi Jaka Crane. ODI Electronics. ODI Electronics have fun to him Sunday. Fridge and per TV, deep freezers, gas cookers, blenders, kettles, washing machines, bread toaster. Diana Wope, Yawunya. Ewo ODI Electronics. Enti, se I want to make a emprimu akuma. Tutumrika na Ahenkan 93.3 FM ha. Oba, ubehu ODI Electronics. Ewo no F4. Brand ne ya papa. Ai, eye papa pa. Anunti bra, bejo die sika betumi atu anu sope sompia. Utua wia, na obefa wade ananso se sika bum krawa na wode aba wa bejo wade ko. Bibini na wonte ase afre 0550 900 600 0550 900 600 and 0546 557 175 0546 557 175. Upa baby abon wade ton de hu dawra ene ye Ahenkan 93.3 FM ena mekan fo ede amawo eluti baby atimika bia so bia company dwodwobu abi say ye kese say eye de say school say ya sorry na wo pa baby abodawro ema wo ha hu bebre nkofrefre nipa samumra baby school mumra ma ye say ya Ahenkan 93.3 FM ha nani marketing manager emetwetwe nkomo sanse ye package stronko de mo bia be sure ho ne aye package kama e de ama wa betimi atua nya bodawro e de ama frempanifo 0244 290 093 0244 290 093. Janko ya nimna yetufa akobi manso kofasho na yaba Economic Community of West African State ECOWAS for nipa wojina ntamo edmom wo Guinea maimu Dr. Mohammed Chambers na papa yi nsem ya ba betu dwaja wo kire se waye ntem ginafo ama ECOWAS ne Guinea man no na baby adro no ebradu se opusu no kakra yasu nunum we wan pusu no antene kankan da nunum guwa no a abusuan wan pusu na wonte sasa anu odin pa nunti wo pusu no kakra na pusu wo pusu ne ho no ukopiam ewo Guinea man mu abusuan ye wanim samse ko duru wanom dia mama de ene ne nkofo age abosu ko ba soja amamuo na ekwoso sese atese wonte so dogo bi nu abe enhanu da nanado dan kwa kufado hwan wamuso wamode injunction to wamuso wonte se hwe kwaso kura wamumfa ko wasofo anya hwe na papa nso ejina ntemu Guinea man mu ntemu de ama ECOWAS no wakasa ede a kire wamo se ne djuma wodie no se ntam ginani no enko esansa military man na wonom ewo eye Guinea man mu no wama bonfi taduku mama de ne ko fo bonfi taduku tuntum de na anu ada mi bo bi kwa yiye tuntum kwakwanso de dem ena ye ntio bia nyom no so omo Guinea fu akasa mu de wo enom de asim ena gingren no moton so maboba pampers blazer di wo monte hwe enu di no se wode ni dibre ba beto sentem ginani de magini mam kanese man no enti ECOWAS wonom adwumadi a wo mu die senka jombe hwe West Africa ha se bibre mato ya se pinche menteme ho ase we asoro nya no betimi abrase no wo madwuma no mo ya pa nanso reche se Guinea man mo de enko enu nti se no wo hwe ni mu se ode ni dibre ebeto so beka se enanu kwase da dwumadi bi koso ewo eye enkrapupu ni mantem Ghana ha se eye 61st ordinary season ya we no eye ECOWAS ene kodi se adwuma kodi nhyiamu kese na nadodan kwakufu adom nyina ka ho bi na saa honom no ene wo wura yi ede sansem wo nyina da etu dwanti wo se ni dibre no wo beja to ho wo ja to ho kra se ne be ya ginifuo no a wonom aho adwe wo mo se kokobia akokọ no wo metimi wo mamani ada honom no mahunu sesese obi ajeja omumudi a ene e bia wo so mo yom nyoma ye enti sese ECOWAS mu de ebobo ba eno no ebusia ha ena mede anapa no nsia Akan Kaseibo no ebesie kwabena Akim eye producer na anapa Kwame Asante atopa he ono so ede ko abefo ntentan kase no so memidin afia ampofowa Kaseibo no asi misi ha echia wo pe me ma mo